guys, this is where I am so far. Look at my lip, it's growing. 3 months in. How you guys life? 132 and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. I'm officially 3 months lock. I was actually 3 months lock 3 days ago on the 21st. I think today is the 24th. I didn't have time to really, I wanted to do it on that day, but I had to work, so I had to wait. But this is my 3 lock. Please don't scream, because as you know, if you see my previous video, I did not retwist. I retwisted like a week before, or a few days before my 2 month, because I had something to do out of town. But I did wash after that, but I did not retwist. I made a video on that. I'm trying not to retwist my hair because I want my actual you know, my roots to get a lot thicker. So if I'm looking up, I'm trying to make sure. I don't know. Should I look this way? I guess. I don't know. But I'm trying to make sure that my locks thicken up at the roots. So this time I don't think I'm going to retwist either. I know for a fact I'm not going to retwist. And then I was thinking about a protective style. Some may say it's too early because I still have baby locks. This is just 3 months. But I kind of want to keep my hands off of it for a little bit. So I may do a protective style. That's why you see these back here. I had some twists done pre lock journey. I did them myself. They were kind of chunky, like some Marley twist type of thing, but they were super long. They're all the way like past my the back of my kneecap. I don't know, 5'11". So I was thinking that possibly I'm gonna put those in. The only thing about it, I only have 34 of those. I'm not gonna tell you how many locks I have, but it's not enough to put in my hair, so I'm gonna have to probably combine some. Well, I know I'm gonna have to combine some, but let me stop all this rant. Y'all here to see this. Do not scream, okay? Don't scream. Don't scream. Okay. All right. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna let you guys see. I think it's coming along fairly well. Like I said, I'm not the stickler for a super, like this one and this one has been giving me a headache because it doesn't want to lock. So I had to go in and kind of interlock it in itself and then retwist it again, and now it seems like it's holding a little bit. And I think I learned from, because anytime I wet my hair softens up. So with me misting my hair every day, I had to cut back on that, because the ones that was unraveling, like there's one in the front here, but this one is starting to lock up too, and this one, even though I still have this at the end, like I said, they be doing their own thing. Let me let you see the back. You guys can see that the back. Nothing different. I'm gonna go through and wash with this, and then I have my moisturizing honey shampoo as well. I'm going to use that. I am going to use conditioner again this time. The last time I used this, I think I'm going to use it this time. Also, like I said, what I added to my daily regimen, I started using aloe vera juice. So I add that to my spray bottle of my water, and that's what I use as a daily moisturizer. So that's been helping my hair a whole lot too, as far as keeping it moisturized. So like I said, I'm not gonna get this little piece. I can see that going to my eye. Look at that. From the bang, I should pull it, but they said don't pull it. But they said don't do a lot of things, but this is your own journey. You learn and you make mistakes through it. So that's what I'm willing to do. I'm willing to try anything to see how my hair tolerates it. But I'm going to jump in the shower. I'm not going to show that because I've washed my hair. You know how to wash hair. You will not use so many like videos of people showing how they wash their hair. I also have a video up when I first washed my hair with the stocking cap method, and then I did my last video with I washed it without the stocking cap. So I'm going to wash it and condition it, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you guys how I'm just gonna separate the parts, clean them up a little bit, and just put like the hairs together in the proper place. I'm not gonna do a retwist like I said. Possibly gonna let it air dry, and then I'll revisit the twists that I have back there today. Alright you guys, this is where I am so far. Look at my lip, it's growing. 3 months in. Let me show you the back so far. Oh, like I said, I'm not retwisting. I'm sorry, I gotta fix the top. I'm not retwisting, but I decided to come on to show you, like the other one was like this on this side too, what I do to it. Cause look at all of this. Can you see that? That's not twisted, and it came unraveled when I actually washed it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my finger. I already oiled like the scalp around it, so I'm gonna just rub that into the lock. Now, then I'm gonna take it into 2 pieces and just twist. And as I'm twisting, I'm gonna take it and interlock it inside of itself, if that makes sense. And then the little bit that's left, just keep twisting, just so it can start to stay. Cause I know these 2 are gonna be as long as ever. Like, look at that. Shrinkage is real. This is, can you see it? Conditioner. I'm just gonna put it on the ends, and I've been putting it on the ends of all of these. Okay. So. And I've just been separating them. I'm just turn to the mirror for a second so I can see. I separated spray so it'll be easier for me to pop them, because they're not really that stuck together. The back was worse, but it didn't really take that long. And then I take my oil as well too. I'm just gonna go on the line and smooth it out some. That helps it with the separating it as well. And then put my little thing back on very loosely, so when I pull it to separate the parting, you see the part right there. So I'm gonna try to get this as straight as possible. Like I said, I'm not big on the straight part thing, but just, oh, that feels so good scratching my head like that. Just straight enough. Okay. And then separate where these are. Make sure they're kind of straight. Oh, that's a little piece right here. Can you see that? Okay. So take my oil, like I said, put a little bit on my finger, and I take the hair. Like, if you see, can you see? And you probably can't see this little piece of hair, but it's like the strayaways. The strayaways is what I'm taking and wrapping it around each other, back around the lock. That comes from all the frizziness. And then I got a little ball here, but I think I'm just gonna leave it up there. Yeah, it's hanging. And then take my cream and just twirl my ends. Okay, now I'm gonna take it off. I'm just gonna twirl my ends. Alright guys, this is the finished result. I told you I wasn't gonna retwist. I think I'm gonna continue to do my hair like this without retwisting, just so it can get a lot thicker, because my hair, as a loose natural, was then now still as a somebody with locks, you guys. I'm super excited. Like, I'm gonna put that hair back. I'm not even gonna use it. I liked how this turned out. So this is my 3-month. Let me give you guys a close look of what it looked like. I have not retwisted. Like I said, I didn't retwist it. I just tamed the little stray hairs that was going on, and then I put conditioner on my ends with the curls. Added a few decors, decorations, whatever you call it, jewelry, shells, and then I love this color one right here. I had a lot more. I don't even know what hair. I had them when I put some faux locks in my hair a long time ago. But let me show you what the back looks like. Let me use this mirror because I want to make sure you guys can see it. Oh, hold on. The mirror's kind of dirty. Can you see it? This is the back. I'm liking that I have some hang time, you guys. Like, this is a huge difference from but when I started, you know, it was just twisted up. So again, like I said, I wasn't gonna make this super duper long. I'm still learning, you know, to this locking process, but I think I've embraced it already at 3 months. This is me. Starting a new chapter in my life. So why not start a new journey as well? If you ask, all right, I got cut off. My battery, not my battery, my memory. But as I was saying, if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back to support me. I know I need to get better with staying on track with uploading my videos. I know, but I was super busy. I work full time and I was in nursing school. Nursing school ends for me on Monday, which is the 27th, I think, or 27th. So I would hope I will have more time to upload my videos that I already have posted. If you're new here, welcome back. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell an uncle, tell an aunt. Come back to my channel to watch this journey with me. I have other content as well from when I was a loose natural as well. If you want to see any kind of other videos from me, I still have a plethora of stuff that I could upload that's not lock related. But until next time, Lights 132.